Steve Schlegel here. Clients ask me, if I own a piece of real estate, should it be in an LLC? And I say definitely don't let it go into your own name. Keep it in the LLC because you want that liability protection. Even if there's no buildings on the property, someone can still come on the property and get hurt. When you buy the property, you hopefully got title insurance when you purchased it, but you don't want any title issues that may come up down the road that title insurance didn't cover to come back on you, because you have that responsibility for your whole lifetime if you hold the title. You'd like that to be in the LLC. The LLC will go away one day. So yes, we want to do that. But what if I own 5 properties? Can I put all 5 properties in the same LLC? You can, but I don't recommend it. And the reason I don't recommend it is because I don't want to have a lawsuit on one property taint the other 4 properties. I'd like to keep them separate. So I'd like to keep all 5 of those properties each in its own LLC. And that makes some sense, segregate that liability. But I don't want to file 5 tax returns, one for each LLC. So how do I get around that? Well, in that situation, if you held those 5 properties in 5 LLCs, we would form a master LLC up here. And that master LLC would own each of those other 5, and you would be the owner of the master LLC. In doing that, each of the 5 underlying LLCs is considered a single member LLC because it's owned by one member, the master. In that situation, the IRS says, only the master has to file the tax return. So you can own 5 different properties, file one tax return, and still segregate the liability from each of those properties, one from another. It's a great way to take advantage of the legal limitations on liability and to avoid filing a bunch of tax returns and incurring all of those costs. I highly recommend it as a way to own multiple pieces of real estate.